welcome back to my channel. I'm Zaniya and this is Zizi's Fun Club. Today I will be reading Wanted Best Friend. Cat and Mouse sat at the table. They were playing checkers. The two played the game so often that Cat sometimes made up new rules. "That's it," said Cat. "I won." He set up the checkers for another game. Looks like Cat's really good at this game. "That's the third time you won," complained Mouse. "Let's play Crazy Eights now." "I hate Crazy Eights." "You take forever to decide which card to play." "But when we play Crazy Eights, I win sometimes," said Mouse. He folded his arms across his chest. "Either we play Crazy Eights or I go home." "All right," said Cat. "Go home. I'll find someone else to play with me." "Fine," said Mouse. He picked up his hat and left. Looks like this friendship is starting to end. That's bad. Cat scratched his head. How would he find another friend? Suddenly, he had an idea. He grabbed a piece of paper and a pencil. He wrote, "Wanted best friend. Must like to play games. See Cat immediately." Then he called the Hollow Log Gazette. 2 days later, there was a knock on Cat's door. "Did you advertise for a friend?" asked Mole. "Yes," answered Cat. "Come in." He hoped Mole liked to play checkers as much as he did. So, this is the Mole Gazette, I think. Well, anyway, this is the Mole. "How about some munches?" asked Mole. "Help yourself," said Cat. Mole disappeared into the kitchen. When he came out, he was carrying a can of soda, a jar of peanut butter, crackers, bananas, an ice cream bar, and a bag of pretzels. The can of soda tumbled on the floor. Mole kicked it toward the table. He is a big eater. Wonder how this friendship works out. Said Mole. He tossed the banana peel over his shoulder. "Now I'm ready to play." Cat moved his checker first. Mole stuffed his mouth with crackers and peanut butter. "Your turn," said Cat. Mole dumped all the pretzels onto the table, then moved his playing piece. Oh my gosh. I do not think this friendship is going to last. Not at all. Cat smiled. He jumped over Mole's checker using his own. "Oh dear," said Cat. His fingers sank into the gooey glob of peanut butter when he touched Mole's checker. "Time for a drink," said Mole. "No, wait," said Cat. But it was too late. Orange soda sprayed from the can into Cat's face. The friendship is about to end. "This will not do," said Cat. He raced for a towel. "You cannot be a slob and be my best friend." Cat avoided Mole's sticky fingers and led him by the arm out of the house. He just finished cleaning up Mole's mess when he heard another knock at the door. Hope this one's not a slob. And also, I wonder if Mouse is ever going to come back. "Did you advertise for a friend?" asked Otter. Carried a large and bumpy duffel bag. "Yes, I did," said Cat. "Come in. I have everything we need to have fun," said Otter. He unzipped the bag. Basketballs, baseballs, softball, football, soccer ball. "But I like to play checkers," said Cat. Balls bounced around his feet. "Look like this one won't do either." I hope this one will end. "Boring," said Otter. "These games are a lot more fun," walked, grabbed the basketball and tossed it into a lampshade. 2 points! He yelled. Cat raced to steady the wobbling lamp as a football sailed past his head through the rabbit ears on the television. Touchdown! Cheered the otter. Oh boy. No more, said Cat, but it was too late. Otter kicked the soccer ball into the fireplace. Goal! Cried Otter. This will not do, said Cat. He stamped out sparks. You cannot burn my house down and be my best friend. He made Otter pick up all the balls and then showed him to the door. Well, that friendship definitely didn't work out either. A big thumbs down for that one. Cat was eating lunch when he heard another knock. I do hope that's Mouse and he's come back to play. Cat ran to the door. Raccoon is the name and skateboarding is my game. I don't know how to ride a skateboard, said Cat. Nothing to it, said Raccoon. He dropped 2 skateboards onto the ground. Get on. But I like to play checkers, said Cat. I think you're scared, said Raccoon. I am not, lied Cat. He closed and locked the door behind him. He put one foot on the skateboard and then the other. Raccoon gave him a big push and sent Cat flying down the side. This one won't do either. How do I stop? Cried Cat. Put your foot down, cried Raccoon. Cat didn't hear. His skateboard raced toward a busy street. Jump! Yelled Raccoon. Cat closed his eyes and jumped. Crash! Cling! Splash! Cat landed in the middle of the neighborhood. Garbage. Disgusting. Raccoon laughed at him. This will not do, said Cat. He pulled his foot out of a garbage can. You cannot laugh at me and be my best friend. He hobbled toward home. He plopped into his big stuffed chair. If Mouse had a phone, I would call and invite him back. Suddenly, he had an idea. He grabbed a piece of paper and a pencil and wrote, Mouse, please come back. Willing to play Crazy Eights. Cat. Then he called the hollow log Gazette. 2 days later, there was a knock at Cat's door. I think I have a feeling of who it's going to be. Now, wonderful little mouse. Hope their friendship lasts longer than the other ones. Mouse, said Cat. I'm so happy to see you. He led his friend into the table. I'm thirsty, said Mouse. He disappeared into the kitchen and returned with a glass of water. Oh, I thought he was going to return like the slob. Cat watched Mouse set up the glass on a napkin. You're so tidy, said Cat. Thank you, said Mouse. And you never throw things around my house, said Cat. Wouldn't dream of it, said Mouse. And you don't skateboard, said Cat. Too dangerous for a klutz like me, answered Mouse. I think this friendship might actually work a lot better than the other one did. Still, take turns on what game you want to play. Cat smiled. Mouse, he said, you're my kind of best friend. And the two of them began to play Crazy Eights. Definitely the end. I hope you guys enjoyed the story. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell so you know when every video is posted, and put a big thumbs up if you like this video. See you guys next time on Zizi's Fun Club. Bye bye.